Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you why x plus a over 2 squared minus a over 2 squared is equal to x times x plus a, which is equal to x squared plus ax. Now take a careful look at this square. This length over here is a over 2. This length over here is equal to x. And this length at the top here is equal to x plus a over 2, right? Because we're adding these lengths over here. This means that the area of this square is x plus a over 2 squared. Now, if we subtract this square over here from the larger square, okay, what we get is this part of the equation. That is x plus a over 2 squared minus a over 2 squared, right? So this over here, right, is this up here. Okay, so we're close to the end of this proof up here. Now the length over here is x, and the length across is x plus a over 2. Now I'll be doing something interesting to these pieces to show that this identity up here is true. Now what I'm going to do is move this over here like so, forming a rectangle. This length up here is a divided by 2, which means that the length going right across over here is x plus a, because x plus a over 2 plus a over 2 is x plus a. And the area of this rectangle over here is x times x plus a. Therefore, we've proven that this identity is true, and that x plus a over 2 squared minus a over 2 squared is equal to x times x plus a, which is equal to x squared plus ax. For more videos like this, make sure you're following this channel. Thanks for watching.